studied what is exactly mean by the adolescence, what are the different stages of the adolescence, what are the different physical, sexual, physiological, emotional changes that will take place at the age group of the adolescence, mental health and that of the adolescence. Okay, there we have studied the mental illness which is associated with physical, psychological and behavioral changes which were categorized as psychosis and that of that neurosis. Okay, that mental illness will lead to the change in the lifestyle of the individual, and that changed lifestyle would also involve the addiction. Let's see what is exactly mean by the addiction. Okay, addiction ज्याला आपण मराठी मध्ये काय म्हणतोय, व्यसन. Okay, see, addiction is a complex condition that is characterized by a compulsive use of various substances despite of their harmful consequences or harmful side effects on the body. म्हणजे बॉडीवर त्यांचे साइड इफेक्ट्स होत आहेत, हार्मफुल इफेक्ट होत आहेत, हे जाणून सुद्धा कंपल्सरी ते सबस्टन्स घेण्याची जी काय सवय लागून जाते. ओके, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ॲडिक्शन. मीन्स इट इज कंडिशन. सी, इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स कंडिशन characterized by okay, compulsive use of substances, despite means माहित असून, जाणून बुजून, despite of its harmful consequences or side effects, on the body. म्हणजे या सबस्टन्सेसच्या यूज मुळे बॉडीवरती, बॉडीच्या physical, physiological and also that of the functioning of the body, it is totally get affected, though there is a compulsive use of that substances, and that condition is exactly called as what? Addiction. See, that addiction involves the use of various substances, and that substances are nothing but alcohol. That substances are nothing but what? Alcohol, various types of the drugs like opioids, ज्याला आपण मराठी मध्ये अफू म्हणतोय. Nicotine is there, opioids, nicotine is also there, and other substances. See, other substances are also there along with that alcohol, opioids, nicotine. Along with the use of that substances, also there are some behavioral changes which are also considered as the addictions. Means like behavior like gambling, behavior like that of the gambling. Okay, means due to the social and emotional changes that will occur in the phase of adolescence, which exactly affects the mental health of the person, which leads to the mental illness, and that mental illness, it also includes the change in the lifestyle where the addiction is most important. Okay, and here the addiction, it is nothing but the compulsive use of the various types of the substances despite their harmful effect, their side effects, their consequences on the body. And these substances or these addictions, it involves the abuse or misuse of the alcohol, opioids, nicotine. Along with that, also other substances are there like cocaine, hallucinogen androgens, then cannabinoids are also there. Behavior like gambling. Okay, these are considered as the addictive substances or addictive behaviors. The scientific evidences, various types of the scientific evidences shows that or reveals that the addictive behavior totally affects the neurobiological activities, means all the body activities, all the body functioning, those were under the control of the nervous system or under the control of that of the brain, that all the activities are totally affected, okay, due to that addictive behavior, and for that disturbance in the physical, physiological and functional condition of the body, it is related with that effect on the neurotransmitter that is called as what? Dopamine. Here neurotransmitter, okay, that is dopamine. That dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter, means what? Sensations were transmitted from nerves to nerves, from organ to organ, and it is carried out by the dopamine substance, which is produced inside our body in a biological manner, okay. By using that substances, okay, there is increased or decreased activity of that dopamine. There is increased or decreased activity of that dopamine, which is related to the neurotransmission, okay. Means here that addictive behaviors, they were show a disturbing effect or unfavorable condition of that neurobiological activities. But again, it is important fact that neurological changes which were occurred due to the abuse of that addictive substances, it can be reversible. It can be reversible after the substance use or the behavior is discontinued. म्हणजे या सबस्टन्सेसच्या यूज मुळे काय झालेलं आहे? न्यूरोबायोलॉजिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज वेर गेट चेंज. न्यूरोबायोलॉजिकल activities were affected, but that neurobiological activities, those were affected, they were reversible, म्हणजे आहे त्या नॉर्मल कंडिशनला येऊ शकतात. Those were reversible after the substance use and the behavior is what? Discontinued. Okay, means what? It affects physical, physiological and functional activities of body. Functional activities of body get affected. Functional activities of the body are get affected due to the abuse of that substances, and the abuse of that substances, compulsive abuse of that substances, by knowing its side effect, harmful effects on the body, that condition or that behavior is considered as what? Addiction. There are various reasons why the individual, why the person is preferring that addiction in that adolescence. Let's see what are the different reasons or what are the different causes of abuse of that substances. Causes of abuse of substances like drugs and alcohols. Okay, causes of abuse of drugs or alcohol. The first cause of abuse of that drugs or alcohol is that in insufficient monitoring and inspection or supervision. Monitoring or supervision of parents. म्हणजे parents जर मुलांकडे sufficient supervision किंवा monitoring नसेल, then in that case that children or that adolescents they were attracted towards the addiction. Means what? Insufficient monitoring and supervision of the parents. Second one cause is that lack of communication. Lack of communication between children and parents. Parents आणि children मध्ये communication जर होत नसेल, okay, then also it leads to the addiction. Third cause is that favorable parental attitude. Favorable parental attitude towards use of drugs and alcohol. म्हणजे फॅमिली मेंबर्स मध्ये जर पॅरेंट्स जे असतील, फ्रॉम दीज पॅरेंट्स इज देयर इज फेवरेबल कंडिशन फॉर द यूज ऑफ द ड्रग्स अँड अल्कोहोल, देन ऑल्सो that adolescent may lead to the addiction. Next one cause of the addiction is that expectations from the drug use. Expectations from drug use means, as we already studied, that mental health in the adolescence, okay, due to the various social and emotional changes that affects the mental health of individual, okay, which would lead to the frustration, nausea, loss of concentration, loss of thinking power is also there. To overcome from that the addiction is preferred. Means there are expectations, म्हणजे ड्रग्स घेतल्यामुळे nausea किंवा nervousness, frustration याच्यापासून काय मिळणार आहे, मुक्ती मिळणार आहे, असे एक्सपेक्टेशन्स असल्यामुळे सुद्धा ॲडिक्शन्स होऊ शकते. दॅट इज व्हॉट एक्सपेक्टेशन्स फ्रॉम द ड्रग यूज. ओके, अँड द नेक्स्ट वन रिझन बिहाइंड द ॲडिक्शन इज व्हॉट रिस्क टेकिंग बिहेवियर. रिस्क टेकिंग बिहेवियर म्हणजे गरज नाही पण फक्त रिस्क घ्यायची सवय आहे. रिस्क टेकिंग बिहेवियर, दॅट्स व्हाय the person preferred addictions. Okay, see, these are the various reasons, various causes of the addictions, that is abuse of the various types of the substances that interfere with the normal functioning of the body. Okay, here let's see what are the methods or measures to control the drug abuse. Control measures for drug or alcohol abuse. Okay, drugs किंवा अल्कोहोलचा जो abuse केला जातोय, how it can be controlled. See, the first method or the first measure through which that addiction is controlled, that is what? First, that is prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. That is the first thing. Second one is what? Avoid undue pressure. Avoid undue pressure. See, what is mean by that undue pressure or how we can avoid it. Okay, child should not be forced. Child should not be forced to perform beyond his or her capacity in study, sports and many other activities. म्हणजे जेवढी कॅपॅसिटी असेल तेवढ्याच लेवल पर्यंत ते आपला परफॉर्मन्स दाखवू शकतील. त्याच्या पलीकडे परफॉर्मन्स दाखवावा अशी त्यांच्याकडून अपेक्षा करू नये किंवा असा त्यांच्यावर फोर्स करू नये. म्हणजेच काय, चाइल्ड शुड नॉट बी फोर्स्ड टू परफॉर्म बियॉन्ड हिज और हर कॅपॅसिटी in study, sports and many other activities. That is what, avoid undue pressure. Third one is what, education and counseling of child. Education and counseling of child. Education and counseling of the child to face problems and stress. Means how to face the problems, how to face the stresses that were occurred in life period. Okay, that for that conditions there is a education and counseling of the child is required. Also the child is educated or counseled to accept disappointment and failure as a part of life. Disappointment and failure are the parts of life. Means in these different ways we can control the addiction, that is what, abuse of the drugs and alcohol by that adolescents. Let's see the various types of that drugs those were abused by the adolescents and what are their different effects on the body. What are their different effects on the body. Okay, different types of the drugs. Okay, first one is the opioid, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये अफू म्हणतो. Opioid. Opioid, after taking opioid, that opioid is get bind to the opioid receptor that is present on the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. म्हणजे याला बाइंड करणारे रिसेप्टर्स आपल्या बॉडी मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहेत. ओके, and that are on, see, binds to opioid receptor. Opioid receptor present on central nervous system. Means what, brain. Central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. म्हणजेच डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम. gastrointestinal tract. Okay, after taking that opioid, this get bind to that opioid receptor present on the central nervous system and that of the gastrointestinal tract. Here the example of that opioid is what, heroin. Okay, the another name of that heroin, it is what, Stax. It is what, Stax. Heroin or Stax or Smacks. It is also called as what, Smacks. SMACKS. Heroin or Smacks. Okay, which is extracted from the latex of poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum. Latex of Papaver somniferum. Scientific name of that poppy plant, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये अफू म्हणतोय. Okay, and that heroin or that opioid, it is acting as a depressant. Acts as depressant. Act as depressants means what? It reduces the functional and nervous activity. Depressants means what? Reduces functional or neurological activity of body. It acts as a depressant. Okay, that it reduces the functional and neurological activity of the body. Okay, second one, drug which is used and which interferes with that of the neurobiological activity of the individual. It is known as cannabinoids. dopamine. Here opioid, which is acting as a depressant, means what? Exactly, it depresses, it reduces the activity of the dopamine, which is normally produced in the body of individual. Here the cannabinoids, it binds to the receptors, those were present in the brain, and it affects cardiovascular system. It affects cardiovascular system. Means what? Heart and blood vessels. Cardiovascular system means mainly it affects heart and blood vessels present in the body. आपल्या body मध्ये present असणारे heart and various types of the blood vessels, they were affected by that cannabinoids. Means inhalation and injection of these substances, they alters or they affect the cardiovascular system. Okay, these are obtained from the inflorescence or the other parts of the cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa, the name of plant from where that cannabinoids were extracted. Okay, along with the cannabinoids from that cannabis sativa, other drugs or other substances were also extracted. The names of that substances are marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja, and also other substances. Opioids, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण अफू म्हणतोय, charas, ganja, hashish. Okay, along with that cannabinoids from that cannabis sativa, those other substances were also extracted. Okay, see the next one, drug. Okay, the name of that is cocaine. Name of that drug is what? Cocaine. It is a alkaloid. See, it is a alkaloid obtained from cocoa plant, and the name of that, scientific name of that cocoa plant is Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca. C small. Erythroxylum coca. From where that alkaloid named as cocaine is obtained. Actually, these two are acting as a depressant, but that cocaine, it increases the activity of or the level of neurotransmitter dopamine. Means increases activity of neurotransmitter dopamine. The dopamineचं मेन फंक्शन काय आहे बॉडी मध्ये? न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर. Okay, means transmission of the senses. Okay, but here due to the ingestion of that cocaine, the activity of that dopamine, it is get increased, and means here the overdose of the cocaine, it may lead to the over happiness, over irritability and paranoia. म्हणजेच काय? विकृती. Means here overdoses of that cocaine lead to extra happiness or over happiness, irritability and paranoia. ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये विकृती म्हणू शकतो. Psychological condition is there, and that conditions are due to what? Increased activity of that dopamine, which is biologically produced in our body and which is acting as a neurotransmitter. Okay, here opioid and cannabinoids, they were acting as a depressant, means that suppresses the activity of dopamine, where that cocaine, it increases the activity of the dopamine. The last one drug which were also used hallucination, it is due to that hallucinogens. Okay, here the various types of the hallucinogens are present. Okay, like that of the atropa, belladonna, datura. Okay, those were also acting as a hallucinogens. Okay, let's see what are the different effects of the drugs or alcohols on the body. What are the different side effects actually, or we can say that harmful effects? Means those drugs which are compulsorily taken up by the individual in the adolescent phase, those causes a harmful effects on the body. Let's see what are the harmful effects of the drugs. Okay, effects of drugs or alcohol. See, due to the excessive abuse of the various types of the drugs and alcohol are manifested, means symptoms are manifested in the form of reckless behavior, Reckless behavior means what? Beparwa. Okay, that is called as reckless behavior. Also there is a vandalism. Okay, vandalism means तोड़फोड़ करने. Okay, and violence. Vandalism and violence म्हणजे हिंसक कृती. Due to the abuse of the various types of the drugs, alcohol, those may affect the neurological system, normal functioning of the body. It would lead to the reckless behavior, okay, बंडखोरपणा, vandalism and violence, that is हिंसक प्रवृत्ति. Also it leads to cause the various types of the hazardous effects, like it lead to coma and death due to adverse effect on, due to adverse effect on respiratory system, also on nervous system, hand, etc. Means due to the excessive abuse of that of the drugs, it would lead to the coma and death also. And the death is also caused due to what? Adverse effect on the respiratory system, nervous system, and that of the heart. Let's see the other effects that will take place on the body due to the abuse of that drugs or alcohols. Okay, the warning signs that would show that adolescent is preferring, or the most common warning signs of the drug and alcohol abuse among the young include what? Down performance or drop in the academic performance. See, drop in academic performance, absence from school, colleges, okay, less of interest in personal hygiene or reduce the interest in personal hygiene, reduce the interest in what? Personal hygiene. Aggressiveness is there, म्हणजे चिडचिडपणा. आयसोलेशन, सगळ्यांपासून वेगळं राहणे, आयसोलेशन is there. Okay, along with the isolation they also shows depression, frustration, okay, anorexia means what? Sleeping sickness. Then change in lifestyle, okay, change in food habit, food habits, okay. Then argument with the family, that is what? Disturbance of the relationship or deteriorating relationship, relationship with family and friends, okay. These are the various types of the adverse effect that may take place in adolescents when they were going through the abuse of the drugs and various types of the various types of the drugs and alcohol, okay. Again, the abuse, extra abuse, or the person who is addicted to the drugs or alcohol, if it is unable to get money, to buy drugs or alcohol, then he or she may turn to the crime. Means at the end, the drug or alcohol addict become the cause of mental and economic distress to the family as well as to the friends. Means here mental and economic, mental or economic distress to family and friends, to the family and that of the friends also. Also, that abuse of the drugs and alcohol, it lead to the intravenous means the drugs which were injected into the veins, intravenous drug, it would lead to acquire various serious diseases like HIV and hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is also there, okay. These are the various types of the serious death causing diseases which were acquired due to that intravenous drugs. Intravenous drugs are nothing but the drugs which were injected into the veins by using the needles and syringes. The chronic use of the drug means chronic from the longer time, chronic use of drug, okay, it would lead to the what? Liver cirrhosis, then also pancreatitis is also there, liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis is also there, okay, which will lead to the loss of balance, okay. Then disturbance of various body functions, okay. One more interesting thing related with the effect of drugs is that the drugs were also abused by the sports person. These drugs were also used by the sports person to enhance or to increase their overall performance. जे sportsmen जे आहेत, whether they are women or men, okay, to enhance or to increase their performance various types of the drugs. In case of the sport person, the activity of the dopamine, that is neurotransmitter, it is enhanced, okay, and that neurotransmitter affecting drugs in the sport person, they shows the various types of the changes in case of the sports woman and that of the sport men. See, what are the changes that will take place in case of the girls or women? See, it includes muscularization in the female. Means what? Musculature like that of the males. जे मेल्स मध्ये जसं मस्क्युलेचर आहे, मस्क्युलर डेव्हलपमेंट आहे, like that wise the female sports women, those abuse the drugs to enhance their performance, they shows the masculinization like that of the males. There occurs increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depressions, abnormal menstrual cycle is there, excessive hair growth or excessive hair development on the body, also on the faces, okay, due to the abnormal menstrual cycle. There is enlargement of the clitoris and deepening of the voice, okay. These are the various changes those where takes place in case of the women. See, what are the changes that will takes place in the sportsmen, okay. See, also due to the abuse of the various types of the steroids, various types of the drugs to enhance the performance, men are also suffering from the various types of the changes that are what? Over aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, reduction of the size of testicles, and as the size of testicle is reduced, there is reduction in the formation or production of the sperms. Kidney and liver dysfunctioning is there. In case of the males, breast enlargement is associated with that of the abuse of the drugs. Also there is premature baldness, म्हणजे loss of the hairs. Also there is what? Premature baldness. In case of the males, there is a prolonged or extra development of the prostate gland. Prolonged, that is extra development of the prostate gland, which interferes the normal functioning of the urination. Means what? Excretion of the urine, that is called as the urination. Due to the extra development or that enlargement of the prostate gland, it interferes with the normal functioning of the urination. Means what? Here the adolescent person, okay, due to the mental illness which is caused due to the social and emotional changes that will takes place in adolescence phase of the life cycle, they may lead to the addictions, okay. Various types of the drugs and alcohol, they show the various types of the serious effects, serious harmful effects on the body, okay, like that of the coma and death, various types of the reckless behavior, vandalism and violence. The youth which is involved in the abuse of the drugs, they shows these various types of the changes like drop in the academic performance, absence from the school and colleges, reduced interest in the personal hygiene, aggressiveness, isolation, depression, frustration, anorexia, okay, change in the lifestyle, change in the food habit, deteriorating relationship with the parents and that of the friends also. Also, there is a mental and economic distress to the family and friends, because when the addictor, that is abuser, okay, if he or she is unable to get money to buy the drugs, okay, it would lead to the crime and it would lead to the mental and economic distress to the family and friends. In sports persons also, to enhance their overall performance, various types of the drugs were abused, okay, and due to the abuse of their drugs, okay, there are various types of the hazardous changes or the disorders or unfavorable conditions where occurs in case of the males as well as in the females. Means in this lecture we have completed all the points related with that adolescence, okay, mental health and adolescence, addictions, what is exactly mean by the addiction, what are the different substances those were involved in addiction, what are the causes of addictions, how the addiction it is controlled, okay, different substances those were involved in the addictions and different side effects of the drugs and alcohols on the body of individual, okay. In this way we have completed all the points related with the topic human health and diseases. From the next lecture we will start with the new topic. Thank you.